Okay, we're so gonna give this a try. So we got our new stock ECU right there. Got our module right there. It's plugged in via USB cable to my laptop here. My helper, why don't you come around the left side and just hold it on there. Very good. Okay. All right. So now we're going to follow the instructions. Okay. So go to Documents and Settings. So close all software. We just rebooted the computer, so it's clean. HP tuners, settings, and delete the license.dat file. So I'm going to delete that. Then open VCM Suite, VCM Editor. It'll take a minute. Okay, you can see no file is open here. So we'll resync. So connected, resync completed. Get an infolog, so click on the eye, and click on the eye again. So 8 credits purchased, 6 used, 2 available. Here's the existing Dodge Caliber ECUs I've already licensed with this. Let's save this. Let's put 28 March right on the front of that. Okay. Oh, you're fine. Oh, but we need to unlock that again. Got it? All right. Okay, we did the infolog. Okay, then resync again. Okay, close the software. Then open it again and try to write the file. So you can see the license.dat file came back right there. So I got to open the file. So this is the one that I want to write. Okay, file's open, so now I can write vehicle. So I'll click this. All right, looks good. Write entire, right. Unlicensed vehicle. That's a bummer. So I've actually tried this twice now, and I get a licensed vehicle both times. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you for next steps.